A passionate singer, a passionate speaker, always grammatically correct, metaphoric speaker. I know you hate the way I vomit. You constantly try to stop the flow completely, or break dancing on my knees like you run to an I can't tell. So what you never seem to underestimate me is to be stranded in the woods blindfolded and can't see. Okay, that's it.
That's just a piece of nothing.
That's a piece of nothing.
That's a piece of nothing.
Nothing, I'm sorry.
How we gonna make this happen today? Is going to be something not short of being immaculate. Period. When I say the elite of the elite, the best of the best, we make movies. Ms.Rain, she make movies. Y'all just know that.